Okay, in these problems that we have been given, we are required to convert percentages to number and convert number to percentage. So in the first instance, when we are converting a percentage to a number, we have to divide the number by 100. So when we are dividing a number by 100, we take the number itself, put that in the answer, and you have to jump the decimal places by 2 places from the right. 1, 2. Now since we do not have a number here, we put a 0, put a decimal, and a 0. So the answer would be 0.02. When we have 47 percentage, you take 47, divide that by 100, and we write the number again in the answer section. We jump it by 2 places. Decimal we jump by 2 places. 1, 2, put a decimal and a 0. 0.47. With 365, again divide by 100. So write 365 over here. Okay, and then we jump the decimal by 2 places. So 1, 2. Put a decimal there. So the answer is 3.65. With 67.21, again we divide that by 100. So how we solve it is we write the number again in the answer section, and we have to move this decimal by 2 places because we have 2 zeros on the bottom. So put a decimal there. It becomes 0.6721. With 5.21 percentage, again we divide by 100. Write the same number in the answer section. We have to move it by 2 places. 1, 2. Now we don't have anything here, so we put a 0 and we jump the decimal. So it becomes 0.529. In case of 348.43, again we divide by 100. Move that by 2 decimal places. So you write the same number again in the answer section. We move this decimal by 2 places to the right, put decimal there. So it becomes 3.4843. Okay, so when we're converting a number to a percentage, this is a number, we have to multiply by 100. Here we had divided by 100, and over here we're going to multiply by 100. So you take the same number again, 0.7, multiply that by 100. So write down the same number, 0.7, in the answer section, and then we move it by 2 places to the left side. Start from the left hand side, move towards the right. We don't have a 0 here, so we put a 0 and a decimal. So answer would be 70.0 percentage. And we have 0.09. You multiply that by 100 again. So you write down 0.09 in the answer section. You move this decimal place by 2 points. Start from the left, move towards the right. So and then put a decimal. So it becomes 9.0 percentage. With 4, we multiply. With 4.1, we multiply 4.1 by the 100. So we write 4.1 here in the answer section. Move it by 2 places there. So we are missing a 0 here. So we put a 0 here, decimal. So it becomes 410.0 percentage. With 52.36, again we multiply by 100. Then in the answer section we write 52.36 again. We move this decimal by 2 places to the right. Start from the left, move towards the right, and then move this decimal here. So it becomes 5236.0 percentage. Now when we have 962.54, you multiply that by 100 again. You write that again in the answer section. 962.54, you move this decimal by 2 places. Put a decimal there and a 0. So it becomes 962 54.0 percentage.